Hello everyone, this is Keith again from everythingwares.com. This time I'm going to teach you on how we're going to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. Now be sure that you have downloaded the software already from Microsoft's official website. The first thing that you're going to do once you have downloaded that one, well, by estimate, the size of this particular software is around 1.5 gigabytes if it is in an ISO file. So let's assume we've already downloaded the software. I already have it in here with me. So this is the Visual Studio Ultimate 2012. Um, I have a couple of files in here. So this is in an ISO file. So if ever you're going to use Windows 10, all you need to do is just to right click on this icon, then click on Mount. So it will be mounted in your drive on your PC, and you will be able to see this icon. It's like some sort of a purplish icon. So just click on that one, then these are the contents of that particular icon. So we have the vs underscore ultimate.exe in here. So what I'm going to do is just to right click on that one, click on run as administrator. Then a confirmation window will appear. Just click on yes. Since we're trying to install something, so everything that we're going to do by concept is just to click next, yes, and everything else will be done. So you can just click on finish. Now if there are terms and conditions, all you need to do is just to tick the checkbox so that we won't be having any problems. So as you can see in here, we are already on the I agree to the license and terms conditions. So I'm just going to tick on that one. So I don't want to join the customer experience improvement program. So I'm going to leave that one blank. So this is the default folder from which Microsoft Visual Studio will be installed. So you just leave it like that by default, then just click on next. That's what I've told you a while ago. There are a couple of features in here, so you can remove some of those, but if you're not familiar with everything else, then just leave it as is. So click on install. This might take a while though, so what I'm going to do is just to pause the installation, then later on I'm going to get back with you guys once this one is almost done, okay? Okay, so we're almost done installing the software. So we're just going to wait for a couple of seconds in here. Took me a while though. I think it's almost 5 minutes for the installation of this one. Well, depending upon the speed of your computer, but definitely takes a while because this is an ultimate version, which means it's backed up with a couple of programming languages already. Not just Visual Basic, but it has C Sharp, C++, JavaScript, and F Sharp. So if you're going to acquire this one, then definitely this one is a good deal already. So if you're a programmer, aspiring programmer, a developer, web developer, whatever, you can use Visual Studio Ultimate 2012. The current version as of the moment is 2019. So if you can download that one, that would be a good application as well. Wow, took me a while though to finish this one. So I think I need to pause this one in a while. I don't know. Or maybe I'll just have to keep on talking in here. Then I'm just going to split the video. Oh, it's done. Okay, so setup completed. Now if you are seeing this warning, so it's about certificate stuff and nothing else, nothing to worry about. So all you need to do is just to click on the launch of what they call this. It's not an icon, but it's just a word. So just click on that one. Then Visual Studio is going to load up. There. So by the time you're going to open Visual Studio, this is how it's going to look like. But before that, there should have some sort of a different window that might appear. It's like some sort of a development settings. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of moments for this. There. Supposedly there is some sort of a different window before this one will appear. So let me show it to you guys. It's somewhere in the import and export settings. I'm just going to reset all settings. There you go. Supposedly you will be able to see this one before you're going to see the program environment. So all you need to do is just to choose Visual Basic Development Settings. Then afterwards, just click on Finish. Then click on Close. Then that's it. This is Visual Studio 2012. Now for the introduction and other tutorials for this, it's on a separate video already and it's on the channel. You can just browse it there, guys. So that's it. That's how you're going to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2012 on Windows 10. Regardless of your operating system, you can still install it. Just follow the steps. Okay, so bye for now.